Yes, it's that time again. It's time for Pizza Pizzazz. Grab a frozen store-bought pizza and add some pizzazz. It's a pizza pizzazz party.
Good. Yeah!
I've got my pizza right here, and I'm gonna turn it into a Reuben Pizza. I've grated some Swiss cheese. Let's start with that on top. That is super cheesy, and that's okay. I have some canned sauerkraut that I'm gonna spread on top. I've got some deli pastrami that I'm gonna rip on top. I had par baked it for a little bit, and now I'm gonna put it back for the rest of the time, about 14 minutes. It's out of the oven and ready for a Thousand Island drizzle over the top. And here it is. It looks really fun. You do realize you could make these pizzas on your own homemade crusts as well. But I just like to do them on those store-bought ones just for fun. Let's give it a try. Whoa. I love that pastrami. That is delicious. You taste the tanginess of the sauerkraut next, and that wonderful Swiss cheese. I couldn't ask for a better pizza. This is great. How did the Romans cut their pizza? Little Caesars.